Good day to you all. We are back to our daily devotion, and for the day of Sunday, we are still with the series of 365 Daily Devotion Bible Character Edition. For this day, the character we're going to talk about is David, and the topic God sees our heart. So, as we all know, as Samuel anointed Saul, the first king of the Israel after the era of Judges, Saul did not keep God's commandment, and it turned him into a regular people or person again, because he was announced as not king anymore. So Samuel, or God asked Samuel to find another king again, and that turned out to be David. David was young, still young back at that time. And we can see it in the book of 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 7. It said that, "But the Lord said to Samuel, do not look on his appearance or on the height of his stature, because I have rejected him. For the Lord sees as not man sees. Man looks on the outward appearance, but the Lord looks on the heart." So God said this because Samuel was looking for a man who has a great body, great stature, great appearance, someone who looks strong, someone who looks like they can win a war, they can lead Israel into a war. But God sees the different. God sees what our eyes can perceive. He sees the heart, not just the physical appearance, just like what we see, but the heart. He's looking what is inside the heart. So what is our teachings? The first teaching is humans tend to judge by mere appearance. So Samuel tried to look for the next king, and he looked for someone who had a great physical appearance, someone who can fit into being a king. But second teaching, God sees beyond appearance and looks at the heart. God has a different plan, because the Lord sees not as the man sees. Man just look on the outward appearance, but the Lord looks on the heart. Last teaching, wisdom and strength comes from the Spirit. David has the wisdom and strength. He's still just a little child, but he became a king. God sees the different in him. So how can we apply this in our life? The first application is learn to appreciate people beyond appearance. Let's not be judgeful with just the appearance, because we cannot learn, or we do not know everything about him if we just look on the appearance. Every person has their treasure in their heart. Second, learn to obey even when the task is too big for you, just like what David did. The task is too big for him because he was just a child, and he was anointed to be a king. So, but David obeyed that calling. Second, learn to trust God, for he gives wisdom and strength. David, as a child, became a king, so he lacks the wisdom and experience and the strength that he needs to be a king, but God provided that for him. He made David become ready for that big responsibility. David cannot really be ready for that big responsibility just because of his capability, but God provided that for him, made David ready. So that would be for our daily devotion. Receive like Christ.